What's up, traders? Shorting NVDA again today. Just a small position today. So far locked in like 80 bucks. I'm trying to see the break in 135. Been holding 135 for a minute. Only have 50 shares left. Just gonna chill for a couple seconds to see if it breaks the 135. Let's see if sellers come in. They tried a couple times. They held it. Let's see if they do it. See all these times, you guys, they try to break it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Finally broke it, but it popped right back up. And then it held right here on the previous candle. So here's another test right here. Let's zoom in, you guys. Let's see if it breaks it. Let's give it a second. See how they try to protect it again, you guys? The bidders, every time it gets to 135, they try to protect it. Here we go again. It could be a two-try failure right here. We're going to give it a second to see if sellers step up right here. Because this is like the second dip. It could test it right here, but we're going to see any big buyers step up. There's a few guys, man. They keep, every time it gets to 135, they don't want to see it go below that, because next support is about 130, 131. Next good support. So they're trying to protect the 135 area. 134.50 held right here on this candle. Tried to break, but you can see buyers scooped it right back up. Here comes a little test. Here comes a little test. Here comes some buyers. Finally breaking the 135. Finally breaking the 135, you guys. Just because it held last time, you guys, doesn't mean it might hold again. But I only have 50 shares left, so I'm just going to lock in this 100 bucks, you guys, just to be certain. Remember, this is my plan, so I'm just going to stick to the plan. And what do we always say, you guys? Plan the trade, trade the plan, right? So 3, 2, 1. We're out this thing, you guys. Locked in 108 bucks. Never get greedy, you guys. Remember our saying, plan the trade, trade the plan. Peace out. Any questions, you already know.